Hey everyone, it's Andrew from Spaces Dashboard. I hope you're all having a great Sunday. We have a request, if you don't mind, me and the team. We've been making some changes. If you've got some time today, please log into Twitter when you're on Spaces Dashboard to access the search function. Simple, you log in with Twitter, authorize the app, that's it. And then you can search. That's right. Whatever you want, we will bring you live and the upcoming spaces. And what we want you to do is really push it through its paces. Use all your search queries. See if you can break it. We're testing. And remember, you can search through usernames. You can search through the text that you want to see. Let's see if there's anything in DAOs. As you can imagine, there's lots. And you can also search with emojis. Who's on the wine? Put it through its paces. Give us some feedback. And remember, when you find a space and it's scheduled for later, you can add it to your calendar. That's right. Either set it as an email or as a notification. Click save. And that is saved, and you'll get an alert so you never miss a Twitter space you want to go to. Thank you so much. Please give it a try. We're making some changes, big things coming on the Spaces Dashboard. Have a great Sunday.